Hey, today I got my hands on some of these thermal fuses. I just wanted to show you really quick how they work and what's inside of them. They're actually pretty easy, just two component leads, and there's an internal connection made with a really low melting point alloy and a feather inside that's under tension, and if you heat it over a specific temperature that's marked on the outside, the alloy melts, the feather retracts, and the electrical connection goes away. They are used for overheating protections in motors, dryers, kitchen appliances, stuff like that. So let's see how these behave. I'm gonna heat them up with some soldering iron and see when the connection goes away. For readability of my OLED multimeter, I had to turn down the lights, so sorry for the image quality. If you ever buy a multimeter, don't use the OLED type. They're just terribly bad at being read in high ambient light. Outside, no chance at all. You don't see anything. Okay, so I wired up the temperature fuse in series with a simple light bulb and attached a temperature probe, and now I'm gonna heat up the thing with my soldering iron, and let's see when it blows. There it goes. It blew at 50 degrees already. This thing is rated at about 70, I guess, though they are not that accurate. And it's not resettable. This thing is gone like any other fuse. So let's take a look inside to see its guts. Okay, so let's take a look inside of this. Just let me grab it real tight with my big old pliers, and I'm gonna try to break it apart right on top of the metal can up here. I take another grip. Oh, don't get it open. There's ceramic insulator up here. Get up. Making a little mess here. I opened one earlier and it opened up pretty easy. Whoop. There goes one lead. That seems not very informative here, but there's not really too much inside. Whoop. There is the spring. There's not much else in there. It's just one side metal spring, contact. I guess this little thickening blob on the top of this wire here is the low melting point alloy. The spring is attached to it there, and the other side is just fixed inside that can in there. Okay, if you liked this video, please subscribe, rate and comment. Thanks, see you next time.